Welcome to today's video. We're going to explore the life of Donald Trump in a simple and easy-to-understand biography, perfect for practicing your English listening skills. Let's dive in. Donald Trump was born on June 14, 1946, in Queens, New York City. His full name is Donald John Trump. He was born into a large family. His father, Fred Trump, was a successful businessman who built houses in New York. Donald's mother, Mary McLeod Trump, was from Scotland. Donald was the fourth of 5 children. Mary Ann, Fred Jr., Elizabeth, and Robert, raised in a wealthy family. Donald was taught to work hard. He attended the Kew Forest School in his early years, then the New York Military Academy to learn discipline. After that, he spent 2 years at Fordham University before transferring to the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, graduating with a degree in economics. In 1968, post-graduation, Donald joined his father's business, the Trump Organization. He expanded the company, starting with the renovation of the Commodore Hotel in New York, later renamed the Grand Hyatt Hotel. This project launched Donald's career, and he became known for his iconic buildings, like Trump Tower in New York City. Beyond business, Donald Trump is known for his media presence. His catchphrase "You're fired" from the TV show The Apprentice made him a household name. His personal life includes 3 marriages and 5 children. Donald Trump Jr., Ivanka Trump, Eric Trump, Tiffany Trump, and Barron Trump. In 2015, Donald Trump announced his candidacy for the presidency of the United States. Despite no prior political experience, he won the 2016 election, becoming the 45th U.S. president. His term lasted from January 20, 2017 to January 20, 2021. Key initiatives included tax cuts, immigration policies, and attempts at healthcare reform. He was impeached by the House of Representatives in 2019, but was acquitted by the Senate. After his presidency, Donald Trump returned to his business ventures. He continues to be a prominent figure, with speculation about a potential 2024 presidential run. Despite controversies, his journey from businessman to TV star to U.S. president highlights his resilience and influence. Whether you admire or critique him, Donald Trump's life is a testament to the power of hard work, confidence, and perseverance. His story continues to captivate and inspire discussions worldwide. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing your English, and stay tuned for more engaging content.